Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'd like to show you how you can change your username. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second, because I'm gonna show you how you can change your username on Pinterest. So let's dive right into the video. So please click on your profile, then scroll a little bit down and click on edit profile. Edit profile, and here scroll a bit down, and over here we have username. So now let's just change your username, and that's all you have to do. How to browser 223, save, and that's it. Your profile saved. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.